You lose.
Indeed. I felt it. Yeah.
Never thought you'd get this far, ex-ladies. You punks aren't as dumb as you look. With the coming war and all, we've been very busy transporting new recruits. The little guy's powerful, but he can't reach that far. Give it your best shot.
Combo! Combo! Combo!
Oh hell! The big bad X-Men are trying to get me!
It's pain time!
Cyclone Fury!
Combo!
What is this? A fight or a square dance?
Yeah.
Combo!
You just don't get it, do you? You can't beat me! Oh hell! The big bad X-Men are trying to get me!
Combo!
I don't have enough power.
Combo! Combo! Combo!
Oh hell! The big bad X-Men are trying to get me! What is this? A fight or a square dance?
Combo! Combo!
Save yourself trouble and stay down! Looks like the nice guys come in last again.
So, I'm just supposed to stand here and do nothing.
We are standing on the edge of an abyss, and by God, our very existence depends on immediate, decisive action. There is no negotiating with the mutant blight. Ladies and gentlemen, I offer you a way to eradicate it before You have the audacity
Silence, human! Your plans to destroy mutant kind will not come to fruition. This pitiful attempt failed, but it has sealed your fate. Let your followers know that it was you who set this war in motion, and let their anguished cries keep you warm in the days to come.
This isn't working out the way you promised.
Don't be so naive, Havoc. How can we ever hope to live peacefully with a species that regards us as abominations?
But using this gravitron of yours is madness.
Then let madness be the mother of change.
No! I won't let you do this!
Only through force will they realize that we are not merely their equals. We are their superiors. And on the 8th day, I looked down upon creation and said, "Let there be darkness." You set these events in motion the first time you laid hands on one of us. You have always looked down upon mutants, feared us, hated us. And now you shall reap what you have sown. The decision is yours. Will a new day dawn where my children will no longer hide in fear, or will it be forever night?
For RVN World News, I'm Deborah Owens. It's been 2 weeks since mutant leader Magneto began using his powers to encircle the Earth with asteroids. Currently, 90% of the sun's energy is being blocked from our atmosphere. Result, there has been a 20-degree drop in the world's median temperature. At the UN, world leaders spoke out today, denouncing Magneto as barbaric and calling for retaliatory action. In the US, the president stated that military forces have focused their attention on finding Magneto's base.
Citizens of Earth, I am Magneto. I have 3 demands which must be met unconditionally. First, all anti-mutant programs are to be terminated immediately. Second, the island of Genosha in the Indian Ocean will be granted to me as a sovereign nation. Finally, General William Kincaid will be handed over to me for trial under mutant law. If my demands are met, the sun will shine again. If I am defied, the chill you feel now will become the endless winter of your discontent. The choice is yours.
Since Magneto surrounded the Earth and asteroids, things are really starting to fall apart. Humans are close to declaring all-out war against mutants. I wish Professor X were here. He'd know what to do. I hope they figure out a way to help him escape from Shadow King.
Ah, welcome, young Allison.
What are you working on?
I'm attempting to devise a means by which the X-Jet will be able to circumvent the shields around Asteroid M. As yet, I have been entirely unsuccessful.
What's that piece of equipment over there?
That is the Astral Gate. Cyclops and Wolverine acquired it during their excursion to the Weapon X labs.
What's it do?
It's an interesting piece of technology based on psychic mutant powers. I believe it will allow non-psychics to travel to the astral plane.
Oh, wow! Could we use this to save Professor X?
A most intriguing idea, Allison.
Goodbye, Beast.
I hope to see you again soon, Allison.
Hello, Allison.
How's the professor doing?
His vital signs dropped slightly this morning, but he's stabilized now.
But that small change worries you.
Yes, it does. I'm not sure how long the human body can live without a mind, and I have no idea how long the mind can exist without a body. I'm afraid if we don't do something soon, we'll lose the professor forever.
Are you as uncomfortable as I am about using her mutant powers?
Let me guess. You're afraid of losing control.
Well, you know that time I lost control in the danger room? A part of me liked it. Maybe a little too much. I'm afraid I might change if it happens again.
You mean like I turn into the Phoenix if I overextend myself?
Yes.
That's why the school is so important to us, Allison. It teaches self-control.
What was it like, turning into the Phoenix?
It was terrible and wonderful at the same time. I've never felt such raw power, such confidence I could do anything. But at the same time, I felt so out of control. All that energy consumed me. It turned me into a monster.
Are you ever afraid you'll transform into the Phoenix again?
There's always that chance, Allison. But I take it a day at a time and resist those urges that could lead me down the path to the Phoenix.
I wish I had that kind of self-control.
You're a strong person, Allison. Continue to train in the danger room, and I'm sure you'll have no troubles with control.
Take good care of Professor Xavier.
I will, Allison.
Hey, Pebbles. Long time no see.
What have you been doing?
All this waiting around gets me a little on edge, so I was in the danger room letting off some steam. Nothing like a good scrap to clear the head.
Do you think we're partially responsible for all this trouble?
What? You mean Magneto being free?
Well, yeah. The X-Men could have stopped him at the Arbiter, but we didn't.
Kiddo, our #1 responsibility is to help people. Mutants and humans alike. Saving lives on the Arbiter was way more important than capturing Magneto. But don't worry, Allison. Magneto will get his in the end.
How'd you learn to fight so well, Wolverine?
Simple. I'm the best at what I do.
See you, Wolverine.
See you around, kiddo.
Hello, Allison. What can I do for you?
What are you doing with Cerebro?
I've been viewing the astral plane, trying to see what Shadow King has done with Charles.
What have you found?
Nothing. The astral plane is in a tremendous amount of upheaval. I've never seen anything like it before.
So Shadow King really hates Professor X, huh?
Shadow King despises Charles with every fiber of his being.
Why?
Because Shadow King is an insatiable egomaniac. Years ago, he was bested by Charles in a battle on the astral plane, and Shadow King would never let that go unanswered.
Do you think the Professor will survive?
My dear, never, ever count out Charles Xavier. He's a man of amazing strength and fortitude. He survived the impossible more than once. I'm counting on him to do so again.
Good luck with Cerebro.
Thank you, dear. I'll not rest until Charles is set free.
X-Men, we've got an emergency. To the war room on the double.
Tensions have finally come to a head. There's been a huge upsurge in sentiments against mutants. Anti-mutant rallies are being held in every major city, and mutant control laws are being discussed by every nation in the world. There have been sporadic outbreaks of violence against mutants, but those are just small trickles from a dam that's about to break.
Spit it out, Psych. What's going on?
I just received word that Sentinels have begun openly hunting mutants in New York City. To make matters worse, Gurso's soldiers stormed the cells and are attacking the Morlocks.
Cyclops, I know we've had our differences with the Morlocks, but we must help them.
We will, Storm. I spoke to Healer. He agreed to meet us in the sewers and fill us in on the situation.
Scott! Scott, can you hear me? Juggernaut's on a rampage and we can't stop him. We need your help.
Emma Frost. Colossus.
Come quickly! Juggernaut is in the facility and he's trying to kill Forge.
You better run, little man!
Technology a wonderful thing?
X-Men! Your little friend Forge can't keep running forever. And when I catch him, I'm gonna pulverize him. Thought I'd do a little sightseeing here on beautiful Muir, then take home a few souvenir X-Men heads to hang over my fireplace. You should know better than that. Ain't nobody can stop Juggernaut, not even the puny X-Men. I'm gonna crush you wimps like paper cups. Prepare to get stomped!
Right. Combo! 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 Combo!
no fair!
As you wish.
Right.
Okay. Don't have enough power.
Will do.
Got it.
Right.
Dodge. Combo!
Yeah.
Combo!
If you insist.
Okay.
If you insist.
Yeah.
Well, that was certainly exciting. Thanks for the help. Me? I'm fine. I just wish my hands would stop shaking. I've got a special brig that can hold Mr. Unstoppable. Let's drop him in there. Once he wakes up, maybe he'll feel like answering a few questions.
You got lucky, meatball. But you ain't never gonna knock me out again. Ah, get out of my head! I hate when you freaks do to a man's brain. I don't know, okay? I was hired by some anonymous joker. Paid me a big bundle of money to do the job. I was supposed to destroy the Astral Gate. I was chasing Forge because I figured he knew where it was. What? I go through all the trouble of fighting you goody two-shoes and it ain't even here? But I was positive it'd be here. You creeps always have Forge mess with new equipment, right? Ah! I'm gonna get you for this, if it's the last thing I ever do!
You X-Men have a habit of arriving in the nick of time. Thanks. What I seem to be doing a lot of lately, putting things back together. No, but it's just as well that he didn't attack the mansion. Whoever it was had to be very wealthy. Juggernaut doesn't come cheap. Maybe. But Magneto has always been a hand. See you later.
Bless your hearts. You saved us again.
I'm trying to see if I can help poor Charles. I just received word his health is failing. None at all. I fear the worst for him. He won't last much longer if his mind remains trapped on the astral plane. I sincerely believe it's our only chance at saving Charles. He must be freed soon or he'll die. Goodbye, my friends.
Large and in charge. I went to pieces last time I saw you guys, but I've got myself together now. All of myselves. Yeah, Lying in a tank of energized liptides is way less exciting than it looks. Oh yeah, like anytime we have troubles here on Muir Island.
Jubilee. Jean Grey.
Thank goodness you're here, X-Men. We desperately need your help. She and her Gene Nation followers left us. The Brotherhood promised her a chance to live in the sunlight, and that proved to be too dim. Yes. They are entering through an abandoned section of the sewers. If you could close down those tunnels, my people would be safe. Good luck, X-Men.
Right.
You're going down! Look out! Combo! 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 Let's see what you got.
Yep. Okay.
Right.
Sure thing.
Will do. I don't have enough power.
you're bad, Mutie?
We both know you're going to lose. Terribly sorry about that.
Let's see what you got.
I believe you've lost.
Think you're bad, Mutie?
Look out! Watch out!
Cyclone Fury!
So much power.
Combo!
Sleep well.
You're going down! We got incoming! Maybe you ought to stay down.
Fear me, bad guys.
Lousy mutant! Time you freaks learned a lesson.
Yep. Okay.
Got it.
Better luck next time.
You're going down!
I believe you've lost.
Think you're bad, Nudie? Combo!
Watch out! I feel reborn.
Combo!
Got it. Okay.
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 Yep.
Let's see what you got. Combo!
Watch out! Independence Day!
Super combo!
Will do.
Got it.
Time you freaks learned a lesson. Combo! Combo! Combo!
Terribly sorry about that.
Yep. Okay. Sure thing.
Yes.
You're going down! Combo!
Sleep well.
Time you freaks learned a lesson.
Combo!
Sorry, loser.
Lousy mutant!
Combo! Combo!
Watch out!
Combo!
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Whatever.
Okay.
You're going down! Medic!
I can't go in that direction. I feel as strong as a hurricane!
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Think you're bad, Mutie?
Combo!
Look out!
Combo!
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Right.
You're going down!
Combo! 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 Combo!
Let's see what you got.
Combo! Look out!
We both know.
Combo!
Cyclone Fury!
We got incoming! Combo! 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 Combo!
I need more power to do that.
Yeah.
Who's next?
Will do.
Okay. Okay.
Time you freaks learned a lesson.
Terribly sorry about that.
No! You're going down!
You lose.